Hello dear students, in this video we will solve exercises of lesson 1, the sentence. Exercise A, here you have to identify the subject and subject word as well as its attribute and also predicate. First number, for many children are very poor. So here for many is attribute, children is subject word and are very poor is predicate. And the winter, so and the is attribute, winter subject word, is hard to bear is predicate. I would is a here I is subject word. Buy soft flannels for little frogs and 1,000 stockings or so, all these are predicate. Second number, the storm came on before its time. So, storm is subject word, the is attribute, and came on before its time is predicate. She wandered up and down. So, she here is subject word and wandered up and down is predicate. And many a hill did Lucy climb. So Lucy is subject word and many a hill did climb is predicate. But never reached the town is also predicate. Okay, and then in last line, 3 number last line, owlet is subject word and my little is attribute. Okay. Exercise B, here we will first separate subject and predicate, and then we have to tell whether the highlighted verbs are attribute or adverbial qualification, direct object or indirect object, or subjective complement or objective complement. So let us see. First number, the captain seems worried. So here the captain is subject, seems worried is predicate. Okay, and worried word is highlighted here. So worried word is here subjective complement because it is saying more about the subject. Okay. Second number, the general kept us standing. So the general is subject, kept us standing is predicate. And standing word is objective complement. Okay, so you have to write here OC for objective complement, and here object is us. Okay, us is object here, so standing word is telling more about the object, so it is objective complement. Third number, my father is a journalist. So my father is subject, is a journalist marked as predicate, and my word is highlighted, so my word is attribute because it is telling more about the father, that father is my. Okay, so whenever the word is describing, word is telling more about the subject, then it is called attribute. Then fourth number, he became a doctor. So here he is subject, became a doctor is predicate, and a doctor is subjective complement because it is telling, it is describing the subject he. Okay, it is telling more about the subject he. Okay, so you will write a doctor as subjective complement. Fifth number, I found it in the drawer. So here I is a subject, found it in the drawer is predicate. Okay, and in the drawer is objective complement. In the drawer, objective complement because it is describing the object it. Sixth number, Susan gave me chocolate. Susan is subject, gave me chocolate is predicate, and me here is indirect object. Okay, me is indirect object. 7 number, we saw the car approaching. So we subject, saw the car approaching is predicate, and approaching word is objective complement. 8 number, They appointed him director. They subject, appointed him director is predicate. And director is objective complement. Okay, because it is describing the object him. Him here is object, and it is director word is telling more about him. So it is objective complement. 9 number, in the morning the sky was clear. So in the morning is attribute and the sky is subject. And 10 number, the soldiers march forward. The soldiers here is subject, march forward is predicate, and forward word is adverbial qualification. Okay. Then 11 number, would you like an ice cream? So here you is subject and would like an ice cream is predicate and an ice cream is direct object. 12 number, the little children look energetic. The little children subject, look energetic is predicate and little is attribute and energetic is subjective complement. Exercise C, here we will rearrange the words to make sentence and in bracket direction is also given that what sentence we have to make by arranging those words. We have to use capital letters and also punctuation mark like full stop and comma. So first number, I am telling you only answers. First number, Sobit has ordered biscuits and cake for the office party. Full stop. Okay, Sobit S you will write capital and after party you will put full stop. Second number, they took the editors to see the printing press. They T capital and after press you will put full stop. Third number, how cloudy is it today? Okay, after today you will put exclamation mark. Fourth number, did you read about the man who adopted a little girl? After that you will put question mark. Fifth number, close the window, full stop. Sixth number, the Sarmas bought a new television set after the old one stopped working, full stop. 7 number, where does Kavita live? Question mark. Exercise D. Here you will change the sentences as directed in the bracket. First number, he rejected all our proposals. Change into negative sentence. Answer, he did not reject all our proposals. Second number, to think we should meet again. Change to assertive sentence. Answer, I think we should meet again. Full stop. Third number, you should not break rules. Change to imperative sentence. Answer, don't break the rules. Fourth number, I wish I had come sooner, to exclamatory sentence. Answer, wish I had come sooner. Fifth number, why worry about such small issues, to assertive sentence. Answer, worry about such small issue. Full stop. Sixth number, that was not the correct thing to say, interrogative sentence. We will change it into interrogative sentence. Answer, was that the correct thing to say? Question mark. 7 number, as soon as he saw the policeman he ran. Change to negative sentence. No sooner had he seen the policeman, he ran. 8 number, you are instructed to sit down immediately. Change into imperative sentence. Answer, sit down immediately, full stop. 9 number, there was no one present who did not reply. Change into affirmative sentence. So answer will be, everyone present there had replied. 10 number, was there ever anything so exquisitely beautiful before? Change to assertive sentence. Answer, there was never anything so exquisitely beautiful before. 11 number, I shall never forget those glorious days in school. Change into interrogative sentence. Answer, how shall I ever forget those glorious days in school? 12 number, this carpet is an exquisite work of art. Change to exclamatory sentence. Answer, wow, this carpet is an exquisite work of art. Exercise E, identify the types of these sentences. Then ask WH question or yes no question to these sentences. First number, no one can tolerate this kind of apathy. Yes or no questions you have to make out of this. So answer will be, means you can say question will be, can anyone tolerate this kind of apathy? Question mark. Okay. Second number, Ramu could hear his mobile phone ringing. You have to make WH question. So the question will be, what could Ramu hear? Question mark. Third number, crying over spilt milk is pointless. You have to make yes or no question. So question will be, is there any point in crying over spilt milk? Question mark. Fourth number, nothing is beautiful as Kashmir. You have to make WH question. So question will be, which place is as beautiful as Kashmir? Question mark. Fifth number, everyone has read about Gandhi. So make WH question. So question will be, who has read about Gandhi? Question mark. Sixth number, Dravid asked the youngster to practice regularly. Yes or no question. So question will be, did Dravid asked the youngster to practice regularly? Question mark. 7 number, go and put the waste in the dustbin. WH question. So question will be, what to do with the waste, or where do we put the waste in? Anyone you can write. 8 number, focus well on your studies. Make yes or no question. So question will be, shouldn't you focus well on your studies? Question mark. 9 number, the beauty of the sea is beyond words. Make WH question. So question will be, how is the beauty of the sea? Question mark. 10 number, nobody is as cheerful as Sachin. Make yes or no question. So question is there anyone as cheerful as Sachin? Question mark. In this way you can practice all these exercises. Thank you.